formed by combination of two or more different kinds of atoms. Means that we can combine different kinds of atoms to make what we call compound. We can combine different atoms of different elements to form what we call a compound. Also, John Dalton proposed that a chemical reaction is the rearrangement of atoms. Yeah, means that during a chemical reaction, it is like arranging atoms. It is like the method of arranging atoms. Reason why he proposed that a chemical reaction is the rearrangement of atoms. So I hope that after this video you will be able to define what is atoms, as I tell you that atoms is a smallest particle of a matter, and it is one which made up all matter. It may be living things, it may be non-living things, all of that made by atoms. So, and also you will be able to define what makes a matter, and here you will be able to know identification of a given atoms of a given element. So thank you so much. Thank you to be here with me. And if this is your first time, please remember to hit on subscribe button. This will help you to get the next and the previous video I prepared. Thank you so much.